This is Eric Flex Travel Videos, and I'm here at the tower looking out at the view. So I'll share you the view with you. Bye, everybody. This is an interesting one. So you have to do a facial biometric scan. Get out of the bay. Okay, I guess I'm green, so I guess I get to go. And you know, on this one, I think this is the Italian courtyard or something, but I'm kind of just following the herd. I've asked like 4 or 5 people, and they all just kind of look at you. I should show you that in action. Maybe it's a museum? No? Okay. Well, it goes somewhere. I know this is the government building. The tower. What is the tower?
What?
English? What is the tower?
It is a ratusha of view.
A view. A view. Thank you. America, I can't read the signs. Tower. That's interesting. Sorry. Okay, I think there's a lot of climbing. I gotta go. Bye. Okay, a few more steps. And it says Tower Wiesa. That's what you do after you've walked up all these stairs. You're a Wiesa. And I guess there's a ticket involved. Kaka, is that saying ticket? I guess Kaka is ticket. Okay, let's get a ticket, I guess. And then we'll start climbing some more. Bye, everybody. Okay, so there's lots of these stairs. It keeps going up and up and up. And they're getting smaller, and they're leaning left. Holy crap. Okay. Lots of stairs. Okay. If they get any smaller, I'm gonna have a hard time. Bye, everybody. Okay. And we're still climbing. And it's getting smaller. Oh my God. The next round of spiral staircases. Eek. After a climb, this is what you get. And that's where we started at. Wow. Wow. Lviv's a pretty big place. Look at all the square. Wow. Way down. Wow. sorry. Wow. Pretty views. And there's one of the things I'm gonna go see too. So that's that one church I went into, the one that you couldn't get inside because they were cleaning up the mess. The one outside, the towers. That one right there is the Dominican church. And then if we remember earlier, I walked through the square and they were just building that or getting that going, so they're almost done with that. And that's the square of the whatchamacallit building. And the Arsenal is around here somewhere. So the Arsenal is a huge museum. Oops, sorry. And the Arsenal looked like a castle building. That's that church I went in earlier. And the dwarf is right over there too. And so is Emu. And the vagina and the floor's in there. And then dinner is the steak and hammer, the meat and hammer, the something, and I think it's over there somewhere. The guy on the bus, I can't remember his name, said it was really good and it was inexpensive. So I think I'm gonna go there. Everybody's up here sweating their butt off. Oh, and there's the statue that I did earlier, and that's the park. And then there's the whatchamacallit, Opera House right there. It's really a pretty condensed little city, but it's going to be some walking. I don't know what that statue thing is there in the middle, but I'm going to get to there too. And look at the weird looking dome there. That's kind of cool. Amazing. Okay. And it looks like there's another big church over that way. Well, that's it, everybody. This is from the tower inside of the heart of Lviv.